Hello, I'm Milla Vanderberg, CEO and co-founder of Kindiedays. I'm happy to introduce how we bring the globally admired strengths of Finnish early childhood education to preschools around the globe, including right here in India. Why Finnish education? Finland is ranked among the world's best in early education, where every child is supported to learn and grow at their own pace. It's a play-based, child-centered approach focused on holistic development, nurturing curiosity, empathy, creativity, and critical thinking from the very start. This approach creates joyful, confident learners who are ready for the future. How Kindiedays brings it to you? Well, at Kindiedays, we translate these Finnish principles into a complete curriculum partnership for preschools worldwide. You get a full year learning program with 160 days of experiential theme-based activities. Optional math, English, EVS and Hindi books aligned to your themes. Easy digital tools for planning, documenting, assessing and communicating. Kindiedays Academy, 10 live interactive workshops leading to a Kindiedays diploma in Finnish early childhood pedagogy, and ongoing support, quality reviews and marketing materials to strengthen your brand. For teachers, teaching becomes purposeful and rewarding. For children, learning becomes joyful, hands-on and leads to deeper learning. For families, everyday learning moments and progress are easy to follow and celebrate. For management, quality becomes measurable, helping you build trust, reputation, and admissions. Our partners in India are already seeing the difference. Stronger teacher competence, a boosted brand image, highly satisfied parents, and children who enjoy learning and learn more effectively. We are proud to partner with forward-thinking preschools across India and the world. Together, let's bring the magic of Finnish education to your classrooms and shape confident, curious learners for life.